Yeah. See, too many people want to win, but they too busy celebrating and taking their time. But I already know I'ma get it now, though. I'ma get it now, though. I'm not slowing down, though. Coming for that crown, though. I'ma get it now, though. I'ma get it now, though. I'm not slowing down, though. Coming for that crown, though. Crown, though. Been a minute, but a minute now. Killing everybody when they wanna bring me down. And I got it cause I'm all alone in the studio. I don't need nobody trying to play a role, no.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm doing a Pronto install using the AliExpress brand called AnnoWig. If you guys would be interested in purchasing from this vendor, I will link their store down below. If you guys were interested in getting this look, keep watching.
So this is how the hair looked when I received it, and the closure that I selected was the 3-part closure. So to prep the closure, I went ahead and cut the lace off and applied an elastic band. So next, I put the closure on a mannequin and applied mousse to make it easier to tweeze.
Now though, I'm not slowing down though, coming for that crown though, I'ma get it now though, I'ma get it now though, I'm not slowing down though, coming for that crown though, I got people who been looking up to me, I can't ever go and let them down though, only 21, yeah I'm very young, I'm still trying to figure out my route though, I've been falling back of some bad habits, getting distracted by the wrong things, trying to balance out the music life with the social life, it ain't what it seems, but I can't complain cause I asked for this. Always thinking about the long run. Getting drunk and chasing love is fun, but it don't feel the same in the morning. I feel like God's been testing me, trying to see how I handle all the roadblocks. It's easy losing everything you got.
So this is my braiding pattern. And just like in my other Pronto video, which I'll link down below, we're going to apply 2 wig caps and sew them on.
Nothing is taken for granted, the clock is just ticking and ticking, there's no time to waste. Think about the future like every day, and I'm one step away, so I'ma get it now though, I'ma get it now though, I'm not slowing down though, coming for that crown though, I'ma get it now though, I'ma get it now though, I'm not slowing down though, coming for that crown though, crown though.
So next I'm going to use the 30-second Wonder Wrap and a tint brush and apply this around my perimeter.
This is Mixlot Production. It's Mixlot.
The hair that I got was the Malaysian Body Wave, and I got it in 18, 16, 14 in a 12-inch closure. I actually did not use the 14-inch bundle at all, so I only used the 18, 16 in a 12-inch closure. Okay, so as far as shipping, I had asked to get DHL. Personally, for me, I know DHL will leave your package at the door. I know other delivery companies don't. So that's what I asked for, and it was also free. For some reason, they did send it FedEx, but it still had a DHL logo on it. They did not leave it at the house. I had to go around the corner and go to Walgreens, show your ID, all that jazz. So I did order the hair on the 21st, which was a Sunday, and I received it Wednesday, which was the 24th. So yes, their shipping is pretty fast.
Alright guys, make sure you thumbs up if you like this video. Comment down below what other AliExpress vendors you might want me to review. Make sure you're subscribed, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!